Bro, no way! You found my channel. Most people just scroll past, but not you. And if you could like and subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Bro, no way!
I still get lost, I still zone out. They talking plans and straight routines, but I still chase that finished dreams. I sit alone and hum a line, ignore the tick and blur the time. I know I'm not the perfect one, but I'm not done. I've just begun.